Hello, today I will explain the employee management system which is developed on MS SQL Server. This software is highly useful for a small-scale industry or a personal business. This is what the interface looks like and the company's name will be displayed here. After clicking on Next we can see the login form. Here we will have to enter the username and password which will be set by the owner, so now I will enter my username and password and the software will open up. There are various menus. The first menu is the home. As you can see, there are options to add new member, employee company details and employee designation. After that there are departments and designation. We can add and create new departments and designations through this tab. Here we can see the daily attendance and monthly attendance calculations. Here we can see the monthly salary calculation based on the present days of an employee, and here we can create the reports for attendance, employee information, salary as well as the department. Okay, let's explore each item individually. So, here we can add a new member. It's an employee registration. After clicking on this form we can see the system will automatically generate new ID for each member by clicking on Add. So right now we have 6 employees. The entire information is being displayed here for the reference of the employer. Here we can have the basic personal information of the employee like date of birth, age, gender. After adding those details we can save this, but if any one of them is empty, it will show the error message. After saving these details we will click on Next. After this you will have to fill in the educational and medical details. Here we can see that all the data will be saved to the specific ID, which means the name will be fixed. In this form we have to add qualifications, college name and other details. Next step is to add the experience. The system is equipped to store information of a fresher as well as an experienced person. After that, if you click on the next option we will see here, we have to fill the employee's bank details and the other documents for salary, and as well as the other purposes. Apart from that, we have to upload a photo, and a Aadhaar card and a PAN card will be saved to your computer for future reference. I am not going to fill in the details here, so we can close this. Now, we open the next tab of employee company details. Now here, we can see all the list of employees, and we can select each employee and also can add and update the new information into it. We can access all the previously stored information. Here we can add the joining date, department, designation and other details. After that we open the employee designation tab. In this we can assign the designation to the employee. And after assigning the designation we can add the basic salary according to the employee's qualification. Based on the basic salary the software itself calculates the AGP, DA and RA for the employee and also calculates the gross salary. Here we access the previously stored information. After this we open the department tab. For each company there are various departments. So here we can add the department names and also can update the previously stored department details. There is also a designation tab. In this tab we can separate the department-wise designation details. If a new person is joining then here we can add the designation name as per qualifications. And the same thing of updating previously stored data will apply here. Now, here is daily attendance. In this we can see 2 options. First is daily attendance and second is monthly attendance calculations. In the daily attendance, we can add the employee's daily attendance, and here is the plus point that each attendance we get the unique attendance ID. On selecting the employee ID, we get the employee's name automatically, and one more feature I have added in this tab is that we can sort the data according to the date we selected. Now, here is the tab of monthly attendance calculation. This tab is useful to calculate how many days an employee is present in a month. Now we will move to the next tab of salary. Here, the monthly salary calculations are done on the basis of the present days of the employee. If we select Employee ID, it will automatically display the name, department name, designation name and the gross salary of that employee. After selecting the year and month it will display the present days of that employee, and after clicking on the Calculations tab, we get the total salary of the employee according to the present days. Now, Reports. Here we can create 5 RDLC reports named daily attendance, monthly attendance, employee information, salary and department-wise designation reports. So this is our first report, which is daily attendance. So, in this report we can fetch the employee's attendance data by selecting the particular date. It means we can search for an employee who was present on that particular day. Second report is monthly attendance. In this report we calculate an employee's monthly attendance. Third report is of employee information. So in this report we can get an employee's detailed information on selecting a particular employee ID. We move to the fourth report, which is the salary report. In this report we can access the salary details of any employee for any month in the past. Here is our last report of department-wise designation. In this report we get to know the designation of the employee in the selected department. For the database I have used an MS SQL server. This is how my employee management system works.